Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather sleeve with MagSafe, alright? And I'll do a review of it in a couple of weeks. But before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that this channel completely survives on your subscription. So if you appreciate a one-man show like mine and you'd like to show some love, just hit the subscribe button. It's for free, it doesn't cost you anything. Alright, without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. So typical Apple, alright, very minimalistic. That's how it's going to look. And let's pull this. Okay, sometimes, oh there you go. Sometimes it's a bit of an effort to take it out. Alright, so that's basically it. Put this aside for a second. Okay. Don't know what that is. So Apple's trying to save the environment. Okay, so that's the bit of the leather that's a loop. Okay, these aren't cheap, like especially this one. So they cost quite a bit, and I think here in Australia they're nearly $200, and you know, I'm funding everything myself. So if you guys appreciate that, yeah, let me know in the comments as well what you guys like to see this paired up against. So that's basically it, just to hold it in place, I guess. So there's a flap here. Okay, I don't know what that is for, but that's for the camera bump. And okay, let's look at this. So that's the loop thing. Comes off pretty easy. Alright, so this basically goes here. And I guess you put that around your wrist to make sure you don't drop your iPhone. Bang. Oopsie. Okay, I'll have a look at how to put this on. I don't think this is on completely correctly, but that's how it looks. That's what it is. I'll do a review in a couple of weeks. Thanks for sticking to the end. I really appreciate it, guys. Take good care. Bye-bye.